Wow. Lunatic token promise they will keep supporting Luna. Remember Binance? After Binance, the next top burner for Terra Classic is Lunatic token, and they have been showing great support towards Terra Classic. They also promise that before the end of this year, definitely they will be burning billions of Terra Classic coin. And I know it's not easy because you cannot compare them with Binance. Definitely what they can burn in 1 year, Binance can really burn that in one month. But because Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world, and definitely there's a lot of market trading going on Binance, a lot of buying and sell. The trading volume, over 55 to 60% of Terra Classic trading volume is being traded on Binance. So definitely Binance will be burning more coins than so many crypto exchange and so many bomb putter. But one thing is that Lunatic token actually come out to say that yes, they burn a lot of coins, but they will keep on burning more coins, and they hope to see that Lunatic token burns billions of Terra Classic coin before the end of this year. And I believe they can do that. Yes, I believe they can do that because they've really showed their best among all the top burners. They are ranked among the top 3 top burners for Terra Classic. So let's show more support towards Lunatic token, and I think they have really done their best for Terra Classic, showing great support towards Terra Classic LLC. One important thing to understand again is that Luna is definitely going to rise in the nearest future, and I believe that Terra Classic is going to push more in terms of market cap, in terms of trading, and in terms of price increase, though it's going to take a lot of time. But I'm happy most of the burning portals are all that most of them have started burning. They were not active for a very long period of time. I think I'm happy, and Lunatic token promising billions of Luna to be destroyed is one good step ahead for Terra Classic. Okay, it's a good thing to see that we will be burning more coins before the end of this year. And I've also have other burning portals like Remitano. They are also burning, they are showing great support towards Terra Classic LLC. Once again, if you want to invest on Terra Classic, please buy Luna now. Luna is trading at a very low price. To buy Terra Classic, this is the best period to buy Terra Classic coin. This is the best period to invest on Terra Classic LLC, because definitely investing on Terra Classic LLC right now is going to amount to, more money if Luna deletes some zeros. But just as you want to invest what you can afford to lose, because the crypto industry is something you cannot trust fully. But we still hope that there are some coins, you see them rising and pumping in price. Yes, oh yes. So for me, I still believe that yes, buying few coins of Terra Classic is worth it. Buy and store for a very long period of time. With Remitano, with Lunatic token, with Binance, with Kucoin, with Kucoin, with Get.io, with Crypto.com, with OKS, these exchanges will keep on showing great support towards LUNC. Once again, thank you for stopping by, and remember, this is not the financial advice.